Welcome to Unit 2. It aims to describe all those fundamental elements of a field of military operations from a cyberspace perspective, highlighting their peculiarities and differences with the fields of conventional operations. At the NATO Summit in Warsaw in 2016, NATO recognizes cyberspace as another field of operations. Then, it must be defended as effectively as it is done in the air, sea, and land. Military operations in cyberspace will make possible the improvement of capacity of nations to protect and carry out operations in these domains and maintain freedom of action and decision in all circumstances. These facts establish that cyberspace is used by the armed forces of many countries as yet another capacity in the hands of the commander of an operation to generate effects on the adversary. Under this perspective, it can be defined that an area of operations is the environment of interest and influence in which activities, functions, and operations are carried out to fulfill the mission and exercise control over an opponent in order to achieve the desired effects. The criteria used to determine whether an environment is considered an operational environment will be carefully examined. The nature of cyberspace will also be analyzed based on the singularities that differentiate it from other areas and therefore require specific capabilities to operate in it. The elements of the key cyber terrain, CTC, will be considered, taking into account that these elements facilitate activities, operations, or essential functions for the mission, and whose distraction, interruption, or capture would generate an operational advantage for the adversary. Finally, some concepts about cyber risks, cyber weapons, cyber effects, cyber tactics, cyber deterrence, among others, will be studied. At the end of this unit, you will be able to conceptualize the environment of interest and influence of cyberspace operations, the nature of cyberspace, and the key cyber terrain. Identify and describe the definitions and impact of cyber risk, cyber tactics, cyber weapons, cyber attacks, and the cyber effects of military operations in cyberspace. This is it in this unit.